Welcome to the 7th video in the SAS SCADA configuration training series. With the knowledge acquired in this video, a list of points will be made for an example project. We will demonstrate a step-by-step process for importing an Excel file containing information about each point in the database, previously configured with the following pattern. Note that each sheet in the file corresponds to the set of points, the tags of an ID. The columns to be defined are ID, the ID name as indicated in the logical device of the IC62850 address. B, name of the object to be created, composed of alphanumeric characters and the underscore character. The first character cannot be numeric. Mnemonic, a mnemonic identifier that characterizes the variable to be monitored. It should be short, legible, and follow the same rules as the B field. Description, textual description of the variable. Event, mark with an X if the point should be recorded as an event in the alarm and event log. Alarm, mark with an X if the point should be recorded as an alarm in the alarm and event log. The states, textual values that represent the possible states of the point or the alarm limits of analog variables. For single points, only state 0 and state 1 should be filled in. For double points, all 4 states should be filled. IC62850, address according to the IC62850 standard, in the following format. For commands, note that you need to create 2 digital tags and define the trip command for one and the close command for the other. Also, for commands with the off and on suffixes, it isn't necessary to define control values in the addresses. However, for the other commands, they must be added. Let's start the configuration. Begin by cleaning the tool, following what was taught in the previous videos. Open the tool. Then, load the Excel file by clicking this button. Select the file and click on Import File. Once the import is complete, click the Replace button to adjust the type column with the corrected types. Select the column you want to replace and the correct name to change. If you have any questions about the replacement name, please consult the types registered in the filter. Then select the bay type. Next, it is necessary to rename each table so that its suffix is replaced by the object type. To do this, click on Replace and fill in the first field indicating the type of bay. In the second field, select the object set associated with the selected bay. Click OK. Notice that the object name was adjusted. After making modifications to that object, it is important to remember that you should always save the base for each object you modify. Do this procedure for all the objects in the database. To check the individual settings for each point, click on the corresponding row in the loaded table. To set alarms that require inverted signals, such as the remote local key, follow these steps. Therefore, the alarm state will be 0, not 1 as usual. For analog variables, verify that the analog alarm option is enabled. If needed, define the activation limits in case they are not already configured. Finally, it can be noted that the created database has the name of the imported Excel file with this prefix added. With the ActionNet Data Builder tool, you'll be able to visualize the entire database. Here, it's possible to see all the tables and their content. This video demonstrates how to configure a point list by importing a file. In the next video, we will begin configuring the project on the ActionNet SCADA platform. See you then, thanks for watching.